Plane engine starts falling apart.
Hello.
Ow! That would be so scary, dude. Like, being on a flight and your plane engine just blows up out the window. It was a potion seller guy, by the way. Yeah, I know who it is. I could recognize him from a mile away.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This plane was taking off from
Now it's super
Taiwan
loud.
when one of the pieces of the engine started to fall off.
Ah!
The pilot
Dude, that
immediately
would
turned the
make
plane
me
around and made a safe emergency landing.
poo my pants. Oh. He's gone. It's just the cover. Yeah, but still. Guys, when I go to look at kittens, if I see babies, I'm gonna pass away.
They didn't realize that it was gonna be this windy outside.
Oh my gosh. It's just the cover? Damn. What on
This video
earth?
left me with more questions than answers.
Why was he running? What? Bro's car just like split in half. Oh. BYD makes some cool cars. Yeah, aren't they like overtaking Tesla in a lot of countries?
Using his voice, this guy realized that he could match the frequency of any room that he's in.
If we sing this note, there's no resonant frequency, but if we... So, did they just ask what that noise is?
This security camera caught this police car getting struck by
Bro.
lightning. These construction workers were caught having fun instead of working.
As they should. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, wouldn't they break it?
He bought a new golfing head cover that looks like his dog.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're way more popular than Teslas now. Yeah, wasn't it like in Japan or something? Like, that's a huge market. Look interesting, but I can't help but wonder if they'll fall apart like Great Walls do. Huh? Yeah, but like, apparently they're like actually better, you know? A lot of people boycott it. Yeah, yeah. They're fine. They're way overbuilt. That is scary. Oh.
They suddenly found themselves right in the middle of a tornado.
Oh no.
Dude, this whole place is...
He's just sitting in a freaking truck.
Lay down, bro. Holy... That's why I got out the machine.
Oh my gosh. What the fuck? You're
He
just
saw that
driving
the
along,
piano
the
keys
plane
were
drives
reflecting in the
past you.
ceiling.
Oh. Seems like they had a whale of
They
a
were trying to
time,
pick up the
bro.
shipping container, but picked up the whole truck instead.
That's scary though. Oh. He jumped out. Oh no!
This baby can't decide if they want to be happy or sad.
Oh, dude,
He
children are
really let
weird.
the intrusive thoughts win.
Oh no. Don't bite it. Please don't bite it. Okay.
I want to
Yep,
say this is a
alright.
dumb idea, but I have no idea how this job gets done otherwise.
He didn't bite it. I should call it hone. That's messed up. That's messed up.
Robot fights are pretty fun to watch.
Dude, I never thought these were actually real. But they are. People actually have robot
She accidentally
fights.
recorded herself saving someone from drowning.
Oh my gosh! Dude!
It was time to show off this new car that he just won.
The late.
He was trying to take care of these plants when this happened.
The kid! Oh no! Oh, bro's just standing there. Oh, that hurts my feelings actually.
I really thought this cat was gonna start levitating.
Look at the tortoise shell. What the?
He was super excited to graduate from his grade school.
Oh, dude. Uh-oh.
Someone is probably getting fired for this.
I want to see the levitating cat again.
Maxed out up there.
Such a cute kitty.
This guy spent days making
What
this custom
just
pet gate
happened?
for getting fired for this.
Table's already almost maxed out up there.
Oh my gosh. And then fell to the
This guy spent
bottom.
days making this custom pet gate for his cat.
It's lucky that's not a busy street. Absolutely overloaded. They overloaded the crane. Is that what that noise was? Dude. 38 months, by the way. I know, such a long time. I love you so much, Millie. Thank you for your support.
These guys found a deer that was lost in the middle of a lake and saved it from drowning.
Oh, how did it get all the way out there? Bro. I mean, they're saving it, but bro.
Look at that, guys.
That must hurt.
This cat refused to let go of this piece of bread.
Corbin, you have to give it back.
No! No!
Poor little guy just
Ooh.
wanted some birdseed.
It's me, Chad! It's me! Oh my gosh! That happens with trucks more than you think. Oh. Oh! Oh my goodness! How
This
do you
cat
catch
really
it like
loves
that?
snacks.
You can't take a cat's snacks. Okay, give it back. What the fuck? Is that the same man? That's the same dude, right?
Here's some really cool lightning going through a rainbow. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. And
Bro.
I'll see you guys again.
No, they're sextuplet twins. Is that real? Is that? No, you're lying. You're lying. Oh my gosh. They kind of like all look the same, but also different at the same time. You could see where the cuts were because of the wind. Oh, wait, what? Let me see. Let me see. Oh my gosh, you can. Dude!
Here's some really cool lightning going through a rainbow. That is
Oh my gosh. Do y'all remember Octomom? I think so. It rings a bell. Oh, how could we forget?